Welcome to Lingchen Dental. As a dentist, when you choose a dental unit, how many points you will focus on? From beauty, quality, function, and of course, we should focus on our health, right? Now, let's see these points one by one. First, many dentists face the air conflict between the section, syringe, and handpiece due to the inefficient air supply. For this section, work by electric. Ensure the compressor provides enough air to support the syringe and the handpiece. At the meanwhile, prolonging the compressor lifespan by reducing the heavy working load. Second, some clinics with the bad smell. Even the dentists, they put the perfume to cover the smell. This smell from the drainage tube, which collects the debris day by day. This cleaning tube system can clean the drainage tube, even make it dry easily. Just turn on it for 5 minutes per day before clinic closing. Meanwhile, the operation lamp is important for the dentist, but some manufacturers ignore it. This filter operation lamp with 12,000 lux to 30,000 lux intensity. It not only provides a bright light source, but also is focused and peaceful light to protect dentist eyes. We call this lamp is filter lamp. No spark and peaceful for our eyes. Dentists will not feel dizzy after working long time. There are 3 modes: white, yellow, white and yellow. So we can choose like when we may feeling. We need white light. Plus there is built-in camera in this lamp to show the treatment movement. Above points are main points for this filter lamp. 1900 dental chair with Wi-Fi wireless foot pedal. It's wireless and no limitation from cables. Dentist free to use his right or left leg while walking. This made the balance for the dentist from hard working each day. This dental chair with Italy designed balance arm, 2 joints together for more flexible moving. This dental unit with long cushion 2.2 meter and microfiber leather, long enough to cover all sides of the people. And big unit box with 2 doors, more easier for future maintenance, and all the things inside regulated well. All spare parts from A quality, from control system to all valves, tubes, plastic, and motor is made by this company. Internal cables, the raw material from US, can resist from cold and hot water, using more than 5 years. This dental chair certificated by TUV CE and ISO and with 2 years real warranty. Now you know how to choose a good dental chair, right? If you want to share more information, welcome to contact with us. And if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. See you next time.